Hey guys, so I woke up this morning and, well, I'm lying because I woke up at like 12, but I woke up this morning and decided that I want to wash my locks. Why does this make no sense? Well, because I'm probably gonna take out my hair tomorrow or the day after, so this makes no logical sense, but I just want to wash my hair. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I started off by taking a empty Mario Badescu bottle and I filled it with shampoo and added some water. Then I started to spray it all over my scalp. After a while, that was a lot for me. Oh, God. And it was just taking way too long, so I just decided to open the bottle and start pouring it on my head. I just finished shampooing my hair, so I'm about to do my little shower setup so I can show you guys rinsing it out in the shower. So of course, when I'm about to go rinse out my hair, my brother calls me to pick him up. So now I have to drive to his school with all this shampoo and like stuff in my hair. John! Get in, loser.
Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
So now I'm just rinsing out my hair. This part was really rough, you guys, because my hair got so heavy under the water. It just felt horrible, and then my camera kept fogging up. So I'm just gonna show you, I guess, like a little bit, because the footage is really bad. And then I started now I'm conditioning my hair, and yeah, it's looking nice and conditioned. My hair is pretty much dry. It's basically, I'd say maybe 80% dry. It's not really dripping anymore. Before, I was dripping all over the house, so I was walking around with a towel. If you're in a rush or you actually have to be somewhere, I would just blow dry your hair. So now I'm gonna do my edges. So my hair is 90% dry right now. If I squeeze it, I'll feel a little bit of moisture, but not too much. It'll probably be dry in a couple of hours or maybe less, who knows. So in between washes, I like to use this scalp purifying spray by Main Choice. I found it when I was, walking around Target, and I went in for one thing, came out with 20. Relatable. This is really great to really just clean your scalp. I never had a flaky scalp, none of that, even though I didn't wash my entire head. I just washed the front where people could see, but I used this everywhere else, and it kept my scalp really clean. And also, if you do your edges every day like me, this gets rid of buildup and all that stuff. So definitely check this out. I'll leave a link for it in the description. So I am going to take out my hair in a couple of days. If you guys want to see that process, let me know. It's going to be rough. And I mean, that's it. I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little wash and condition routine for my hair. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you.